What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Bloons TD6. Today's challenge is gonna be based on nature, only monkeys that are evolving around nature. So, let's get to it. Okay, there we go. No, I don't think any of the wizard monkeys' abilities are based on nature. Oh crap, balloons are getting through. I guess we'll also ice monkeys based on winter. That's part of nature. Oh yeah, and it's alternative rounds. I have it on as well. Chop, 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 chop. Okay. Ooh, we can also use this monkey, which I do like this one because I can like summon animals to fight against these balloons. So oh crap, we really need to get something to deal with these camos. Like, camos are a threat. Camos might ruin us. Oh, wait. This monkey might save us. They are only resort against camo balloons, which is not good. But hey, if we're able to do something about camo, oh crap. We don't have anything to do with leads either. Oh no. That's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. Let's get some lightning so we can deal with leads. Cause next time leads come, we're doomed. Oh, we need a lot more money. Let's set up another one here. And we'll go the middle route because it summons a root after the balloons, on the balloons. That will convert regrow the heart balloons into normal balloons. But it costs us $1,000 to do so. But the thing is, we also need something to deal with this. Because we're going to probably die here. Yeah, we're dead. Okay, let's pay 100. Because I think we can do this. If we have something to do with the camos. Yeah, I guess you can count that as the animal spirit, so we can also get that. Oh, I really hope this... Why isn't it not doing damage? Okay, I guess it also we covered our health, so that's good. Is there anything in the Ice Monkey that helps with camos? Can freeze and pop lead and camos if we go the top route. Okay. So we also have the Ice Monkey that can help us with dealing with camos. That's good to know. No, I don't want that. There we go. Oh crap, a camo lead. Oh yeah, I forgot. The Ice Monkey can also pop lead balloons. Oh, thank goodness. I thought we were doomed. There we go. I don't like that. The game knows that we're weak on against camos, and now is summoning a lot of camo balloons. Yeah, we'll pay it. Really sucks. We need more defenses against those types of balloons. Oh crap. Okay. Now we got something to somewhat handle the camo balloons. Okay. Okay. This is actually a lot harder than what I was thinking it was gonna be. I thought more of these monkeys would have know how to see camo balloons, but I guess not. So let's see what there is. I guess the mer monkey would also be considered a nature one, but we don't have that unlocked yet. So we kind of are stuck with these ones. Yeah, I don't know how I'd count that as nature. I guess banana farms would be considered nature. But I can't go the bank route or the bottom route. I would have to go to plant production only. Do I have any farmers? No, we don't. Meaning we'll have to buy one. Okay. We really need to upgrade our ice guys because they are our only defense against camos besides the owls. Because I have no hopes when we get to DDTs. Because as soon as we get to the level 90, or whenever they send the DDTs out on alternate rounds, we are gonna be pretty screwed. Let's see if we can squeeze a farm in right there, but it doesn't look like it. Oh crap. This re-afford Moab. Yeah. Dang. Yeah, we lost there. Dang. It was a shorter video than I was thinking, but hey, it is what it is. So we got to round 40 with using the art challenge. But I'll see y'all next time. Bye.